characterized by a fluid connection between interior and exterior and its large outdoor spaces. Tahoma One House, designed by Studio Schicketanz, is the idyllic residential development founded by Clint Eastwood in Carmel, California. The front door is accessed via concrete stairs that ascend the gently sloping site. The home's entryway is enclosed in floor-to-ceiling glass. A wide hallway leads to an open-plan dining and living area, with high ceilings lending a sense of grandeur to the public spaces. The ceilings are sheathed in warm-hued fir, which provides a contrast to the structural metal beams that traverse the space. Reclaimed teak was used for the flooring. A mix of modern and agrarian references, the home rests on a knoll that is dotted with scraggly trees and looks toward mountains in the distance. The house is organized around a central cleared knoll, as the architects prioritized outdoor space and views of the surrounding mountain range. The single-story residence consists of a main dwelling and a guest house, which are positioned around a rectangular courtyard with a large stone fireplace. Exterior walls are made of textured stone and reflective glass, and are shaded by deep overhangs. While minimizing heat gain from the California sun was a guiding concern, so was incorporating natural light. Throughout the home, the architects used a neutral color palette to create a feeling of calmness and connection to the earth. Furthermore, the team sought to eliminate visual boundaries between inside and out. Here's a look at the plan.